Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can unsuspend Twitter account. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open any browser and search here Twitter support like I am doing. Okay, and click on the first website, contact us Twitter help center. Once you click on that, this website is open, so it will take few seconds, and here you need to select the topic. You simply need to scroll down, or you can see that problem with account access, or you can click on locked and suspended account issue. So this is the first option, click on that option, and here you can see a form once it is loaded. So here you can appeal, so you simply need to click on the appeal form. So let me show you the desktop side version. So firstly you need to log in your account, and here you can see a form here on the help center, and you need to fill out that form by giving all your requirements, that why your account is locked, and if there is an issue you can briefly explain here. Appeal a locked or suspended account. Once you appeal here, the Twitter team will check that, and if your account is locked wrong, they will restore your account. So this is the process by which you can unban your Twitter account. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.